Hi there mga ka-food lovers! And thanks for clicking to Ann Foods channel. At ang ating pong recipe for today is baked asparagus. Simple and easy to make, as in no hassle. At meron po akong konting health tips about this vegetable. Kasi alam niyo po ba na ang asparagus is packed with antioxidant, vitamin B12 that found in dairy, fish, at meat. So for those who has allergy with meat or fish, this vegetable is suggested as a replacement, and also rich in potassium that help reduce colon inflammation for our intestines works normally, and many more. Hindi lang po yun ang makukuha nating health benefits in these vegetables, but there's a lot. So suggested po ito na sa hindi pa sanay kumain ng gulay na ito, ay maganda po ito sa ating kalusugan. So, ganyan lang po siya. I have to peel the hard part of asparagus, at saka yung soft part niya ay ibabad ko lang siya sa asin. So, na-peel ko na po pala siya lahat. Kasi pag hindi balatan yung hard part ng asparagus is chewy. Magiging chewy siya pag kainin. So, lagyan lang natin siya nilagyan ko lang siya ng black pepper, olive oil, at bago ko pala ito siya i-bake ay i-wrap ko siya sa bacon for more flavor and tasty. Kaya i-wrap ko lang siya sa bacon before I baked in around 12 minutes or 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. At meron lang po akong konting kahilingan sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe para po updated kayo sa ating simpleng ulam bahay or home cooking foods. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment your views. Thank you! So ayan, kung hindi nyo po siya wala po kayong oven na pag-bakean, pwede nyo po siyang i-fry in low, medium heat. I-fry nyo lang po siya. After you bake or after you cook, you have to serve these vegetables right away for more tasty and flavor. Kasi malalasahan natin yung sarap ng gulay na ito pag mainit siyang kainin. So yan lang po, ganyan lang po siya kasimple. At sana po nagustuhan nyo ang simpleng recipe na ito. Maraming salamat po.